Hello and welcome back to CashBright. You know, the road to financial success is never straight or without potholes, and staying on that road can be a constant struggle. For this reason, it becomes vital that we never lose sight of our goals. And in this video, we have 3 simple but highly motivational mantras for you to use every day on your own journey of personal and financial enlightenment. So let's get going. Number 1. A quitter never wins, and a winner never quits. Now this is a mantra I use every day of my life. It is so good because many days I feel like I just don't have the energy to keep working, and I feel myself wanting more and more to just stop and give up. I try to even rationalize that feeling by saying that the work I do just isn't right for me, and I should try something else instead. But you know, that isn't actually true, and this mantra saves me every time. A quitter never wins, and you miss 100% of the chances you don't take. And the simple converse of that is also true. Those that take the chances, the winners, never ever quit. That's not to say that they don't fail, of course they do, but they never quit. And this simple mantra always refocuses my mind and keeps me on that long road to success. Number 2. You only live once, and your time is now, not later. Life is so precious, and whilst we all can appreciate how lucky we are to live our lives, so many of us don't live this truth. We waste so much of our time, and I admit doing this too. I've already wasted years of my own precious life not doing what I actually want to do. And the biggest lie I used to tell myself was, my time will come. I just need to wait for the right opportunity. Now I ask you, how can anything happen by waiting? We know that good things don't just happen, not without working in the now. And this is why this mantra is so important. You only live once, and your time is now, not later. So, do not procrastinate. Do not wait for a brighter tomorrow, when the conditions are just right and the stars are in alignment. No. Work hard for it now. Number 3. Small steps taken consistently over time bring big rewards. This mantra has been so important to me because I've worked on a bunch of projects in my time, and every single one has started incredibly slowly. You know what it's like. When you don't see any big progress within the first 1 to 2 months, you start to doubt if you will ever make it at all. But by repeating this mantra, I always know that as long as I keep taking those small steps, over enough time, I will see the rewards. And that is exactly what happens. The truth of this mantra is very hard to see at the beginning, because the steps are so small, and let's face it, we're all impatient people. We want to see results now. But it's only after sticking with it, progressing more and more, and looking back where you started, do you see the truth. Small steps, taken consistently over time, bring big rewards. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Before heading off, please don't forget to leave a like and tap the subscribe button. And until the next time, stay sharp out there, stay hungry, and stay CashBright.